Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok through Facebook Messenger. If you want to share an entertaining TikTok video with your friends directly through Facebook Messenger, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the TikTok video you want to share through Facebook Messenger.
A relationship.
While the video is playing, tap and hold on the screen to pause it. Step 3. Look for the Share With menu, usually represented by an arrow icon. Tap on it to access the sharing options. Step 4. Tap on Messenger from the Sharing Options menu. This will open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Next, select the recipient from your Facebook Messenger contacts list. Tap on the Send button to share the TikTok video directly with them. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a TikTok video through Facebook Messenger and share the joy with your friends in a more personal way. Facebook Messenger provides a seamless experience for sharing TikTok videos and engaging in conversations with your friends. Thank you for watching and enjoy sharing your favorite TikTok videos through Facebook Messenger.